The Innovation Forum is an event to connect and reconnect people in our network, and it's an event to share experiences, share knowledge, share learnings, get inspired, challenge each other.
My name is Oluf Tonning. I manage system architect. Coastal Defense and Aerospace produce world-class defense systems. The big buck is in everything that happens after it rolls out of the factory, but it's so connected to what we do before that even happens. The engineers that were around when we designed it, they're no longer around when we need their expertise. And this is where TECHNIA and Dassault System is really helping us with their solutions. So I'm here at the Innovation Forum today, and I've been inspired by the talks. I've been able to network, meet new people. I've had meetings with other companies that have given me new insights and ideas to what we can do in the future.
Smarter products faster, with the right people, in the right building, in the right situation, actually comes true. Simplicity, unique solutions, and we show a lot of commitment to both our partners and our customers, I think, by doing this.
My name is Julie Holmes, and I'm a specialist in technology, innovation, and AI. AI is transforming innovation in lots of ways. First and foremost, it's helping it to speed up. Everything from creating more designs more quickly, being able to test out sustainability of our ideas, but it's also going to enable people to think differently and to challenge themselves with new ideas more quickly. The great thing about an innovation forum like TECHNIA's Innovation Forum is that it's a place for people to get together and challenge their thinking. The three words that I'd use to summarize Innovation Forum are creative, exciting, and engaging.
To me, Innovation Forum is energy, inspiration, and excitement.
Smarter products faster.
So my name is Anna Windevall. I am the director of PLM and data management at Mölnlycke Healthcare. We are producing medical devices for the healthcare industry. From a PLM perspective, we need to make sure that we have all the data available. I believe that we have been partnering with TECHNIA for more than 20 years. Innovation Forum to me is a little bit like family reunion.
To see the customers, that's the thing, to see that they are actually smiling.
Inspirational, innovative, and great networking.
If I were to summarize Innovation Forum in 3 words, it would be connecting with people, being inspired, and having some fun.